attention of the Honorable Minister. Number one is the irregularity of the salary of SSA school teacher, where most of the time they have to wait for almost 6 to 7 months, 4 months, 3 months, and so on. Timely intervention with the government of India is a must for the release of fund for the central share and also timely release of the state share also. At the same time, keeping in mind there's a time where there is a delay in release of the fund, be it from the central government or the state. The corpus fund that is already there, it has to be enhanced in this current budget session. We have seen in the budget speech, huge amount has been allocated under education, and we hope that this also will try to ease the issue and the problem of the teachers, where they can have regularly their salary in due course of time. If there is shortage or there is a delay in the release from the central share or the state also, the corpus fund which is there, after enhancement, it can ease this issue. Number two, sir, the regularization for the post of SSA teacher. Teachers want not at one go to regularize, but on phase manner to regularize their service so that this issue can be addressed. Also, the association, they have been written to the state government, to the education department, to the concerned minister, demand that appointment of teachers should be from the government and not from the managing committee or the sponsoring body. If the department could see in this matter, which ultimately will covered once they are regularized. So number three is that the association, the teachers, they want that the salary should be transferred directly to their bank account, as has been done to other staff of under SSA, where like the BRP or the CRP or the DEO, MIS, other staff under SSA. So their request, if it could be heard, I would urge to this call attention to the minister concerned to look into the matter. Point number four, sir, is about the area that have been pending 8 months area, because the salary of SSA teachers has been enhanced in in April 2016. But the area between July 2016 to February 2017, it is still there, not paid till now. So through this call attention, I would like to urge the Honorable Minister in charge of education to please address this issue at the earliest. Lastly, sir, the release of the current salary of the SSA school teacher. The motive of this is that if they can get every month, if not every month, also at least 2-3 months simultaneously, so it will help them to support their family. So this is my few submission to this call attention, through you, sir, to the Honorable Minister in charge of education, and I hope that point raised will be addressed genuinely and for the benefit of SSA teacher in our state as a whole. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to raise this call attention.